Let's dive into this explainer. We're unlocking the service drive with Michael Toledo's proven recommendation framework. Are you leaving money on the table like a cherry picker or maximizing every single ticket as a go-getter? Picture a basic 60,000-mile oil change. The cherry picker does the mental math, hesitates, and just stays silent. But the go-getter, they pick up the phone with the exact same energy as a $10,000 repair. The difference between these two advisors boils down to one simple, incredibly powerful trait: courage. To be that go-getter, completely understand the technician's findings and always present them with absolute authority. Use the OEM schedule. It's definitely not a suggestion. It's hard engineering data from the folks who built it. Never think with your wallet. You literally have no idea what your customer's financial situation looks like. So follow this crucial sequence. Always lead with the benefits, then the OEM recommendation, and finally, the investment. Never lead with a discount. Doing that instantly signals you don't actually believe the recommendation has value. To confidently communicate value, structure your presentation using the RIM method: related, immediate, and maintenance. Always start with related. Present findings connected to their original concern to validate them and build essential trust. Next up, immediate needs. These are safety items that simply cannot wait. Present honest facts, never fear. Finally, maintenance. These are long-term health items backed directly by the manufacturer to ensure overall vehicle longevity. Ditch the weak hesitation, saying the tech found some stuff fails. Specific professional authority actually closes tickets. Even with a perfect presentation, objections still happen. They almost always fall into time, finances, or uncertainty. Address these directly. Offer a loaner, ask what's holding them back, or clearly show those deferred maintenance costs. Always partner with your service manager on significant declines. They have specialized tools that you simply don't. A decline isn't a closed door. This brings us to the most critical number, the 11-day follow-up. Industry research actually shows that without re-engagement within 14 days, customers permanently take their business elsewhere. Document the decline immediately. Then, when you call on day 11, just ask how the vehicle is running first. Revisit the recommendation with genuine care and honest advocacy. Absolutely zero pressure and definitely no unprompted discounts. The choice is yours tomorrow morning. Will you settle for comfort or have the courage to be the go-getter?